Hi, good afternoon, Dharmesh. How are you?
Hi Sailesh, how are you? I'm good.
So yeah, Dharmesh, we are all excited to to launch this new initiative by Frappe of
Yeah.
the local level schools that you all have initiated is a fantastic thing. So can you talk a bit more about that as well as tell something about yourself? So yeah, please over to you.
So basically, I'll just start with myself first, and I'll let you know that what is my background and how I landed to Frappe. And so basically, I already have an experience of almost like 6 to 7 years of experience on ERP domain itself.
Okay.
It combines with Frappe around 8 plus of years of experience on ERP domain, and I've been working for multiple enterprise businesses where I'll be implementing ERP Next as well as other ERP
Okay.
in my career till now.
Right.
So now I thought that let's. So when I was in Frappe, Frappe introduced me what is open source, and then I got to know that how we can reach vast people with the help of open source and what is the concept of open source and all those things,
Right.
which excited me a bit that this can be reached to multiple people, this can be reached to the large audience, and how we can make it better. And then recently, Frappe was also looking into making its community where they can have more certified people, more people who can learn about the system, more people who can get involved into this and start their business or something like that, so that people come and learn ERP Next and spread the word basically. So
Great.
Frappe had already initiated a platform called Frappe School, that is basically a platform where people come and learn about ERP Next or any Frappe product, because Frappe is a company who builds 100% open source software which can be used for free, and then people try to learn that and they can self implement it by themselves. But at times what happens, that those particular videos are recorded videos at times, and that might have some limitations to understand with some questions. There are some things which must have missed in the older versions, and we are coming with the more newer versions and those stuff. So now what we are planning is that to have more personal connect with the candidates and have more and more engagement with them, as we had already started this in-person training concept with Dubai at first, where we had gathered around more than 20 plus uh, ERP Next and non-ERP Next users
Okay.
who were trying to implement and who want to implement and who want to get into this ecosystem.
Right.
So those kind of people are getting involved into it, and now recently, when I was talking to Rushav, and I got to know that we should also have something like this in India.
India. Right.
So I thought that with this opportunity, with this starting a new year, we'll start having this in-person trainings in India as well. And then first thing I got in mind that how we can start, and I connected with you and several other partners, and then I thought that let's start with something and see how it works and go. So basically, this training is like how I promote or how Frappe promotes this is like we already have certain partners. We want to leverage our partners to get and move ahead with this training so that they can also be independent to take all those trainings by themselves.
Yeah. Yeah.
So to set a framework, we are starting with this, where Frappe is involving into give the training so that you also understand what kind of structures it has, okay,
Yeah.
and then you also understand that how it can be taken forward, how how a particular course will be structured, and what kind of concepts are required in terms of industry standards to make sure that after having this training they can get certified
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the whole thing which I have in my mind with the help of Frappe School, and so gradually we will be increasing it, and this is the one push towards people to learn this great open source system so that they can not only benefit for themselves, but they can also make sure that they are implementing this and they're training more people in that terms.
And there's a systematic kind of a thing, coming from the horse's mouth, directly from the developers themselves.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the
Yes,
approach
yes.
is uniform across all partners and across all,
Across
developers
all
and all
partners,
that.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So basically, as we have around 180 plus partners with Frappe, and
Correct,
you
correct.
being around one of the bronze partner in Surat as well.
Yeah.
So these partners are basically so they also get benefited with this particular kind of trainings where they can understand that what is the market reach for Frappe, okay, how they can and how they can plan and what kind of trainings they can plan. They can have their potential customers with them where they can call them for this kind of training, so that one part of training which that Frappe is giving you the training, and it is good that you can catch hold and ask whatever questions you want.
Yeah,
basically.
that's right.
Yeah.
No, and I believe that this will this will go a long way in actually creating a environment where the deployment and all that is much smoother for the client himself. So this ecosystem, which is for deploying ERP Next, just like Tally. You want a Tally operator, so you have maybe 100 Tally institutes, all over the place. So, as these guys are there, they are ready to, be consumed in any of the particular, business industries and all that. So, this is a great initiative. I really appreciate that. And thanks for selecting Hard and Soft as the first, first school outside Frappe. Outside Frappe. That's great. That's great.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basically, yes. So we are already starting with this, and couple of trainings are already done for framework as well. So moving forward, we'll be planning this kind of trainings in with along with our partners, and we would always suggest that partners should take this initiative,
Yes.
and they can also start training by themselves. We are there to help wherever they need as a Frappe school, as a platform to help.
Great. Great.
Yeah.
So tell me something about the course, like who all will be taking that and what would the the brief content.
So basically, the course is totally functional
Functional course, right.
course, which will be making you certification ready. And this particular course is designed a way that you can understand it from basic to advanced. That what is ERP? It will be starting from what is ERP, and then how you can use ERP Next, how industries can be used can use ERP Next, and then the particular course is like will cover each and every operations step by step with an example and the scenario, so that each and every candidate can understand that what and how they can proceed with ERP Next and how they can configure it for their own business or wherever they are implementing it. And then this will be 3 days of course, like 4 hours training each day, starting from 21st to it will be till 23rd
Whatever,
of Jan,
yeah.
9 o'clock, starting from 9 o'clock in morning.
Right.
So me and Dipen will be the part of it where we'll be taking this training, and you will also get ample of assignments after getting this particular training done. I'll be sharing some questionnaires for you to practice, so that I can make sure that you are hands-on experience on system. You will get an access to free 14 days trial ERP Next also at the time of training itself.
Very good.
And you'll also see the variety of open source software that Frappe is working on, or Frappe has already built it, and how you can integrate that with ERP Next. Basically, that is also something which you can see on the fly.
Great.
And we'll also be working. I'll also try to make sure that if time permits, I can also involve some real life scenarios by taking some scenarios from the candidates and getting implemented on the shelf itself, so
Right.
that they will understand that how easy it could be to implement and how easy it could be to configure the system, basically.
Right.
So this will be totally functional training.
Right.
In system. This will be total functional training, and we have kept it more affordable now. It would be only about 5,000 rupees INR, like in Indian rupees, and you can get an in-person training for for yourself to learn ERP Next.
Yeah, I got it. Actually, earlier we had a much higher slab, and then as an introductory, you wanted to make it more aggressive. So I really
Yes,
appreciate, I
exactly.
really appreciate that. That with that, more and more people, will be able to enroll into
We'll be
this.
able to, yes, so that many people should get benefited with this particular training. So we thought of having it at lower side, and so
Yes,
that we
yes.
can get more and more people getting into this and learning ERP Next basically.
Even I think certification also you given it a very reasonable cost, right? Certification
Yes,
also. Yeah.
so basically, yeah, so earlier I was thinking to club certification with this, but then I thought that why to club it, let it grow
Organically.
let
Yeah,
it
yeah.
grow more
Organically.
organically, and then we can see that how we can get into the certifications. But knowledge is something which they should get, and then by seeing that they can also plan for the certification, which they can pay for it basically.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Great. Great.
Yes.
So yeah, Saili and you guys have done a fantastic job. And in the last partner meet, I had discussed with Rishabh. So this is a great
Yeah.
initiative. This is a great initiative, and we look forward to continuing this. Maybe one or two pilot sessions. You guys will be there, and then my own team will
Yeah.
be, ready for that, and then we'll take this thing on. So that this I mean this is not just a one time thing. It goes and
Yes, yes.
on
Keep
it's
on
a
doing it.
yeah
Yeah.
regular. So great, Dharmesh.
Yes.
Very excited and looking forward to you your team.
Same here. Same
Yeah,
here.
that's right. Okay.
Same.
So Deepen and you both will be coming,
I
right? Deepen and you both. will be coming.
I liked your spirit when we were on the call for the first time, when I was discussing with you that I want to do this training, and you were like, yes, why not? Let's
Yes.
do it. We have all the arrangements.
Yes. We
Yeah.
have a good conference room, so we can house as much as 20 to 25 people across on the conference room itself, in that.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that'll be great, no problem. Chalo. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Great. Looking forward to it.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right. Bye.